In this video, you're going to discover 7 foods that researchers often associate with helping support and rebuild the gut microbiome, and how these foods may influence the balance of beneficial bacteria inside your body. This matters more than ever today. Modern diets are increasingly linked to reduced microbial diversity, and many scientists now believe that daily food choices may play a key role in shaping the health of the gut over time. Here on Human Health Archive, we break down complex scientific research into clear, practical insights so you can better understand how nutrition and lifestyle habits may influence digestion, immune balance, and long-term health. And no, this is not about extreme diets or miracle foods. These are everyday foods that researchers frequently study for their potential role in supporting a healthier gut environment. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 7 simple foods you can start incorporating into your routine, and how they may help support a more balanced microbiome over time. Before we look at these foods, it's important to understand what it means to rebuild the gut microbiome. The gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem made up of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria that play essential roles in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. When this ecosystem is balanced, beneficial bacteria help regulate inflammation, support the gut lining, and produce important compounds such as short-chain fatty acids. However, when the microbiome is disrupted, a condition often referred to as dysbiosis, researchers observe that microbial diversity may decrease and less beneficial bacterial strains may become more dominant. Diet is one of the most influential factors in shaping this microbial balance. Because of this, scientists often study how certain foods may help support beneficial bacteria, improve diversity, and contribute to a healthier gut environment. Food number 1, fiber-rich vegetables. Vegetables such as broccoli, leafy greens, and carrots contain dietary fiber that acts as a primary fuel source for beneficial gut bacteria. Instead of just passing through, this fiber is fermented by microbes in your lower intestine. Nutrition scientists point out that this fermentation process produces short-chain fatty acids, which are essential for keeping the gut lining strong and helping regulate inflammation. Food number 2, fermented foods. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are widely recognized for introducing live microorganisms directly into your digestive system. Think of these as living reinforcements. Clinical observations show that consuming naturally fermented foods can temporarily increase the population of beneficial probiotic strains, helping to crowd out opportunistic bacteria and restore microbial diversity. Food number 3, legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in both fiber and something called resistant starch. Unlike regular carbohydrates that break down quickly, resistant starch resists digestion in the stomach and small intestine. It travels all the way to your colon, where it acts as a slow-release, high-quality energy source that allows beneficial bacterial strains to thrive and multiply. What surprises researchers is that many of these foods don't just support digestion, they actively shape the entire microbial environment inside your gut. Food number 4, whole grains. Whole grains such as oats, brown rice, and quinoa contain complex carbohydrates that take time to break down. Emerging research suggests that the specific fibers found in these grains not only feed beneficial microbes, but also help reinforce the protective mucus barrier of the gut lining, making it harder for harmful pathogens to take hold. Food number 5, fruits rich in polyphenols. Fruits like berries, apples, and pomegranates contain natural antioxidant compounds known as polyphenols. What's fascinating is that human cells only absorb a small fraction of these polyphenols. The rest make their way to the colon, where specific gut bacteria feed on them, breaking them down into smaller biologically active compounds that circulate throughout your body. Food number 6, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide a powerful combination of fiber, healthy fats, and plant compounds. Gastroenterology researchers frequently explore how this synergy works. The fiber feeds the microbiome, while the healthy fats help support the digestive environment, creating more favorable conditions for diverse microbial communities. Food number 7, prebiotic-rich foods. Foods such as garlic, onions, leeks, and asparagus contain high levels of prebiotic fibers. If probiotics are the good bacteria, prebiotics are the specific fuel they need to grow. Medical literature often describes these compounds as one of the key dietary triggers for expanding populations of beneficial gut bacteria. When you look at all these foods together, something important becomes very clear. Many of the foods associated with supporting the gut microbiome are rich in fiber, plant compounds, and naturally occurring nutrients that help feed beneficial bacteria. In contrast to highly processed foods, which are often studied for their potential to disrupt microbial balance. These foods are commonly associated with supporting diversity and stability in the gut. In previous videos, we explored foods that may disrupt the microbiome and how excess sugar intake can influence bacterial balance. What we're seeing here is the other side of that equation. The gut microbiome appears to respond not just to what we remove from the diet, but also to what we consistently include. However, consistently maintaining a diet rich in fiber and plant-based nutrients can sometimes be challenging in modern lifestyles. Busy routines and reliance on convenience foods can make it difficult to achieve optimal daily intake. For people who struggle to consistently get enough of these nutrients, some choose to complement their diet with greens formulas that combine plant nutrients, antioxidants, and digestive support ingredients into a single daily drink. While whole foods should always remain the foundation, these formulas may offer a convenient way to support daily nutrient intake. If you're interested in exploring one example of a greens formula and its ingredients, you can find more information in the link in the description below. And if you want to continue understanding how daily habits influence your gut microbiome and overall health, be sure to explore the other videos here on Human Health Archive. Because in the end, your gut microbiome isn't just influenced by what you avoid, but by what you consistently choose to nourish it with.